I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your account with Deutsche Bank can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Access the Deutsche Bank website. Visit the official Deutsche Bank website and log into your online banking account. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the account services or settings menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select verification options. In the Account Services section, find the Verify Account option. Click on it to start the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. You will be prompted to enter personal information such as your ID number and address. Make sure the details match those in your official documents. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your information, review it carefully for accuracy. Then click the Submit button to complete the verification process. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that your personal details are entered correctly, as discrepancies can delay the process. Good luck with your account verification, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.